Hello into my factory. This is my 6012 milling machine, and I have first work for this machine. So I have a Woodchipper blades. I have 50 blades. Where it's gone? I have a sample what I should to make, and so I should to made 47 millimeters wide, thickness is 6 millimeters, and length is 95 millimeters. So but these blades is 7 to 8 millimeters thick, 105 millimeters long, and more than 55 wide. So and I should to custom them. First I cut over here with angle grinder all of these, then I think I use my milling machine for to make right wide. I mill the backside of the blade, and then I should to custom the thickness of the blade, and for this I want to use a custom jaws what I done in the night. So in here I can't set a jaw. This is a blade, because if I start to machine it, it's just fly away, and so I make a custom jaws for this work around, so it looks. And if I set it in vice, it looks around, so you'll see that the blade is in like a pocket over here and here. For this place, shape edge they done so to it sets on the keel, you know, and this shape edge don't touch the bottom of this pocket. So and in this way I hope I can work these blades. For the tooling, I will use a CNC style tool holder with a CNC mill, but this mill bit or end mill was seen a fire before. It's worn out and old, but this mill bit is only one what can bite a chilled material. What is these blades? These blades can profile with file, and standard high-speed steel mill bit can bite this. So that's the plan. And later, when I finish the milling works, I set these or these blades on my surface grinder, and make them fine around, so from each side I grind them and make a right shape and angles. So this is after the milling. This is done on another machine. So but this blade is not yet finished. So thanks for watching, good luck, and have a nice day.